In today's episode, we will learn how to ask for directions in English. When you travel or visit a new place, you sometimes feel lost. You may need help to find a street, a building, or a station. Asking for directions is a very useful skill. Using simple English can help you get the help you need. Today, we will practice simple English, slow English, clear English. Please relax, listen carefully, and repeat with me if you want. Let's begin. Part 1. Asking for help. When you need directions, you can start politely. You can say, "Excuse me. Excuse me, can you help me? Excuse me, I'm looking for something." For example, "Excuse me, can you help me, please?" Part 2. Asking where a place is. You can ask, "Where is the bus station? Where is the train station? Where is the restroom?" For example, "Excuse me, where is the train station?" Part 3. Asking how to get somewhere. Sometimes you want to know the way. You can say, "How do I get there? How can I go to this place? What is the best way to get there?" For example, "How do I get to the city center?" Part 4. Asking about distance. Sometimes you want to know how far it is. You can say, "Is it far? Is it near? How long does it take to walk?" For example, "Is it far from here?" Part 5. Asking about transportation. Sometimes you need transportation. You can say, "Can I take a bus? Is there a train? Should I take a taxi?" For example, "Can I take a bus to get there?" Part 6. Understanding directions. When someone gives directions, listen carefully. You may hear phrases like, "Go straight," "Turn left," "Turn right." For example, "Go straight, then turn left." Part 7. Asking someone to repeat. Sometimes you do not understand. You can say, "Can you repeat that? Please speak slowly. Can you say that again?" For example, "Sorry, can you repeat that, please?" Part 8. Asking someone to show you. If directions are confusing, you can ask for more help. You can say, "Can you show me on the map? Can you point to it? Can you show me the way?" For example, "Can you show me on the map?" Part 9. Thanking the person. When someone helps you, be polite. You can say, "Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate your help." For example, "Thank you for your help." Part 10. Daily life examples. At the street. "Excuse me, where is the bus stop?" In a station. "How do I get to platform 3? In a city. "Is the museum far from here?" Part 11. Useful direction words. Here are some common words: left, right, straight, corner, across the street. For example, turn right at the corner. Part 12. Simple conversations. Person 1. Excuse me, where is the library? Person 2. Go straight, then turn left. Person 1. Thank you. Part 13. Gentle encouragement. Asking for directions can feel uncomfortable, but most people are happy to help. You do not need perfect English. Simple sentences are enough. Clear words help communication. It is okay to say, "I'm lost. Can you help me? Please speak slowly." These sentences are simple and very useful. Now you know how to ask for directions in English. Practice these sentences slowly. Use them when you travel. Listen again if you need to. In the next episode, we will learn how to talk about the weather in everyday English. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. You are doing great.